Okay. Stuttering. Jasmine Sullivan. Trying to work it out here. I can never compare to her. So as soon as I get these lyrics up, I will begin. Okay, here we go. I use it as for words. This got to be a first, and I'm trying to find the reason why I'm stuttering. Something's funny's happening. I'm at a place I've never been, and there's got to be a reason why I'm stuttering. Every time you look my way, something made me feel so strange, and I'm starting to think that you're right. I am stuck, and I say, hello. And my name is, and it's so frustrating. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down. My mind is racing, but it won't come out. Can't believe that I can't tell, but it's not my fault. 'Cause it's something that you do that's got me stuttering. Something that I wanna say, something's getting in my way, and I got to figure out how to stop and I say, hello, and my name is, and it's so frustrating. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down. My mind is racing, but it won't come out.